Namaste. This is Nandan Kumar. I'm an advocate in Delhi, India. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Justice and Peace. I want to say that when we go in an alien country, we sometimes find problems, and at the same time also we find ourselves alone to deal with such situation. Therefore, I thought to empower you all with the legal information which you may need to know while you are in India. My effort to empower you all with the requisite information will be in English, Hindi languages. I'm sure that this video is going to be very helpful to foreign nationals, especially for their safety purposes. So watch till the end. It's very beautiful to say that India is a very colorful and much diversified country. But its experience and exposure need some awareness of requisite information to understand its diversified culture, people, and the Indian legal system. Unfortunately, there are several crimes against foreign nationals which have taken place in several parts of India, where foreigners, expats, NRI have been suffered and become aggrieved or victims by illegal or criminal acts. Those crimes are snatching, fraud, theft, negligence, rape, murder, or any civil or criminal acts in which you have been through or had to bear traumatic or catastrophic situation. There's also immigration problem at the entry point in India. One of the most crucial reasons for taking place these incidents or crimes is lack of knowledge of Indian legal system, as well as fear of being alone in an alien country. I must say there is a highly chance that these crimes could have not taken place if the victims or aggrieved person were aware of or had complete knowledge of such crucial information that may help them out from the catastrophic situation and protect them from any unanticipated incidents or crimes. Due to lack of this information, unwillingly make you place or push in a dangerous situation where you suffer or be exploited by delinquent public official, miscreants, or any person who wants to take advantage of your need and draw back. Consequently, unfair and unjust comes into play, and justice remains in a word of legal jurisprudence. It is also highly probable that due to COVID-19 and lockdown, people coming from particular class or section of the society or community may find themselves in doing something wrong activities due to their pauper status and financial crisis, which actually compel them to do crimes as to survival instinct. These crimes may include theft, fraud, snatching, etc. Being a qualified legal professional, I have been working for a foreign national in Delhi for a couple of years, and I realized the need and urgency of this scantiness. Therefore, I took an initiative through this YouTube channel to give you all comprehensive legal information that may be helpful for you and others. My effort also requires your collaborative support and efforts so that we can help others and all community irrespective of their respective nations. I want to make you assure that when you would have a proper legal information, you will feel relaxed and confident in dealing with any situation. It's a universal truth that every country has sufficient laws and their law enforcement agencies. But unfortunately, crimes are day by day increasing, somewhere more, somewhere less. But there is no place in this world that we can say crime-free zone. Nor can anticipate or imagine such perception. What we need to do is that we can protect ourselves with knowledge power Empowering ourselves means empowering our community and our country. My initiative through this YouTube channel to empower you all with vital information is only to make prosperous society in which you can protect yourself and your people and can also help others who are in need. Therefore, after this introductory video, I will post one by one utmost important video which you need to know. I believe that you would have definitely some experiences in this regard while you in India. So I would like you to share your story or any experiences with us through contact detail mentioned in the description box. And if you need any information or have any inquiry, feel free to ask me and also give your valuable feedback. Lastly, I would like to request you all watching this important video to share this important video to your contacts so that everyone can be benefited and empowered, and also like it and subscribe it for the next important video. Be a warrior, not a survivor. Namaste.